Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can very easily allow or disallow members of your WhatsApp group to send a message to that group. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get down to our topic. And open up the WhatsApp app for starters. Next, go to the chat section and here find the group that you are the administrator of. Then at the top, click on the name of that group. And scroll down a little bit until you find the group permissions section and go to that. And this is where you will be interested in this feature. It's the post feature. And if you want other members to be able to send a message, then you will need to activate this feature by clicking on the button. If on the contrary you don't want them to be able to do that, then deactivate this button to prevent group members from messaging your group. Friends, this is the simple way you can either allow or disallow your group members in WhatsApp to tweak a message. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments. See you later.